Hey folks, I'm here for another weekly update. I'm here to show you a few projects I've been working on. This is that panel, bulkhead panel I've been talking about. As you can see, I filled in some cracks with some glue, so that's got to be sanded down. Once that's sanded down and nice and smooth, I'll apply the either glaze coat or polyurethane, one or the other. I don't think I want this to be as shiny as the rest, so I'll probably use the polyurethane and in satin form. As you can see, I had a little tiny piece I had to glue in right there. So I got to cut that off and then shave that down. And around here what I'll do is I'll probably just clamp that thing to here, because that's the template. And then I'll just start shaving it off with a orbital sander, because I don't have much more to go as far as that goes. Alright, let's go take a look at my battery rack. That's going to be the second piece of sheet metal that goes on the top of the battery rack. Alright, so here we go. Here's the battery rack. As you can see, I've cut one piece already. It overlaps the center bar right there, so the other one will go to right here, the second piece. AGM batteries, I'm going to go ahead and box this part in from here along here, where the tabs are, just outside the tabs. I'm going to box it in and seal it, and then put a vent fan on it, like a computer vent fan. It's just a precaution. Probably doesn't need it, but it's just a precaution. Over here, I'm building a vehicle ramp. That's just the ramp part. The base I'll show you in a second. But it's out of 1.5 by 1.5 by 11 gauge steel, and so I'm almost done with that one. I've got to put another leg in over on that right there, one there, and then I just got to basically grind down everything and make it look pretty. And then I'm going to put a bolt. I'm going to drill a hole right through that leg and through that leg there, into the base of that. And that there is for a second, for a leg. I'm going to do the same thing in the center, and then I already have one over there, and there'll be legs coming down off of that, so that way I have center support for these two rungs right here, as that's where the tire will be sitting. So anyhow, that piece there has got to be cut to that there. And also, let's go look at my I've already got the holes drilled for the battery rack. I don't know if you can see this, but see that right there where it's drilled through? I hope you can see it. Anyhow, I had to square the holes up because I'm using these are grade 8 bolts, grade 8. You can tell by the 6 little lines on top. That's grade 8. Grade 5 has 3 lines, not 6. Little marks. Anyhow, they're carriage bolts. So I had to file those round holes out to be square so that my carriage bolts will fit. So anyhow, that's what's going to hold down my my battery box, battery rack. All right, let's go take a look at where it's going to be sitting. All right, so there's the holes I drilled right there. 2 right there, and then 1 right there. Then also I had to beef this up because there was no wood here, and the same on the other side. On the other side, I'll show you in a minute. But so that hole's been drilled, and then this one came loose. It doesn't really matter. I just have to glue it back down again. I didn't clean the surface before I put it on there, but there's the I guess you'd say the 6th hole. There, those go into the wheel well. And I might put one in the center in here somewhere like that. I don't know yet. I don't think I'll need it, but it wouldn't hurt. So anyhow, that's what's going on there. And well, that's about all I got for this one. Please, if you like what you see, hit the like button, and then please share it, and please subscribe. Be safe. Thanks for watching.